Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore VideoLeap subscription. VideoLeap is a popular video editing app that offers premium features through a paid subscription. It offers advanced editing tools, set premium effects, no watermark exports and exclusive templates through its pro subscription. If your subscription expired or you cancel it earlier, you can easily restart or renew it inside the app or through your device's subscription settings as well. So first what you can do is simply go to a VideoLeap app on a device, and once you reach into this interface, what you can do is in the top right corner you can find to this premium icon in the top right. Over here what you can do is you need to select to this show all plans on the bottom, and over here once you reach into this VideoLeap Pro plans in the top we can find to this restore purchases. What you can do is tap on the restore purchases, and that is it. Once you select to this restore purchases you can proceed to it. And once the subscription is restored, you will regain access to the premium tools such as your advanced effects, templates and watermark free exports. Restarting subscription allows you to continue creating high quality video and fully enjoy all the professional editing features that VideoLeap offers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.